Hey again, everyone. Here we are in week 1, module 1. I'm going to walk you through our weekly overview via video this week, so you'll kind of get a feel for how this works. If you've taken a class from me before, this will be very familiar. If not, I hope you find it pretty easy to navigate your modules. So let's go out to the home page for our class. Here we are, going back to home. Right, so it's this welcome screen right now. After this week, I'll change the home page where it goes straight to the modules, right? This week it has all this important information about how to reach me, and it has the link for the Zoom meeting room, which I will pin to something at the top of our screen when I change the home page. But in the meantime, you can go right here. During the published hours, that room will be open, and I'll be there to talk to you. This link right here is your syllabus. You can download and print it, or you can just open it and use it. It's hyperlinked. The document itself is hyperlinked. Lots of good stuff inside there. Here are your office hours, so you know how to reach me and when to reach me there. This is a little note about the Zoom meeting. If you come into that, you need to realize that it's like joining students from either this class or any other one of my classes might be there, because it's like office hours for everyone. So if you need a in-person meeting, you need like a private in-person meeting, I need you to let me know and I can set that up. So if you come to this Zoom meeting, you need to just consider that this is like joining a group setting where there could be students from the class you're enrolled in or students from any other class that might also be there asking questions. If that makes you uncomfortable, then be sure and let me know you want a private meeting and we can set up something different. All right? So then if you click here, it will take you to the Getting Started modules, or you can go up and navigate to modules, like right here. This will take you to modules. So you should have a home button, a modules button, a grades button, a people button, and a conference button. We may or may not use conferences, and you settings shouldn't be showing up on yours. So don't worry about that. For now, you're just going to use modules and maybe grades if you're checking your scores, and then home to get back to the syllabus and the link, okay? So then here's your Getting Started module. This is the video you previously watched, I hope, telling you who I am and why you're getting videos of me and my little dogs in my little home office, okay? This slideshow about discussion boards is very important because we do quite a few discussion boards in an online class, so please read that. Watch the little view. Here's a thing about handouts you can print. There's some really good examples for your papers in APA formats. Here's a good video that I think it's Zach Olson maybe made that video. It's great. And then here's your assignment about a study plan. Okay, so this is Getting Started. Then this is week 1 right here that I'm about to publish right now. There's no green check mark right there, which tells me I have not published for you guys for this yet. So if ever you get a video or an email or something from me talking about an assignment that you don't have, it could be that I forgot to click that button. So please email me and say, hey, this thing's not there. I plan to publish your modules on Sunday nights so that some of you are real early morning study people, so that it will be like ready to go Monday morning at 4 a.m. if you want to work on it. I will not publish it prior to Sunday night. We're going to all be in the same module at the same time. So like one module at a time, and then it closes the next Sunday night. So it'll open Sunday evening at some point when I click the button, and then it closes the following Sunday at midnight. All the assignments are just done by then. If you're not done, it's just too late. All right? So now here we are at week 1. I promise not to make this long of a video every week, so this is kind of a lot to say. Okay, week 1. Always go to your overview. Now this overview has a due date, and I do that because I know that you students use your to-do list over here that shows on your screen and not on my screen. And this is how you get to stuff. If I don't give it a due date, some of you don't see it because you don't navigate around in the modules. So even though there's nothing to do for this module, nothing to submit, there is something to do. You're supposed to read it, but there's nothing to submit. It will still show up on your calendar. So when you click on it, it will be how you got to this video, because I'm putting this video when I'm done recording it right there. So I'm recording the video, it will be right there, and then you'll click on this and be watching me show you how to do this after you've already done it. So it's kind of weird on the first week. But anyways, here's how we go. This is my little thing I just said about that there's nothing to actually submit, but there is a due date because I need you to watch these videos and read these overviews. During the week, you'll get announcements from me. That's how I communicate mostly, is through announcements. So make sure that you're checking your home page because the announcements will be at the top and you can read the most current announcement. Sometimes I ask for you to reply to the announcement. Sometimes it's optional to reply, and sometimes there is no reply to the announcement. You just need the information. Okay, this module kind of has a lot of stuff because it's the first week, so please don't panic. But do remember that this is a 5-credit class. So this is going to take some time. This is like 15 hours a week is what they figure. So you have a chapter to read, which is going to take a significant amount of that 15 hours. You're going to have videos to watch, assignments to do, things to discuss, just various things in the modules each week. Please don't procrastinate. If you wait till Sunday before the module closes, and then you have technical difficulties, there's nothing I can do to help you. It's just like too late. So, but if you're trying to submit an assignment on Thursday and have technical difficulties, you can email me and I can help you. So please, please, please do not wait until Sunday night to try to submit everything. All right? Okay, a little note here that we're skipping chapter 2. You'll see that in module 2. We go from chapter 1 to chapter 3. Okay, then here's a little to-do list. Just to give you an idea if you want to kind of plan for your week, okay? So that's what the overview looks like. I'm going to go back to the module now. And all of those things that were on that to-do list are right here. Okay, so I always put this so that here's your reading. This is the chapter, just tells you to read chapter 1. The publisher puts out PowerPoints that kind of are like an outline of the chapter, so it wouldn't hurt to read the chapter and then view the PowerPoint and go, oh yeah, I remember that, like, oh wait, I don't remember that at all, how did I miss that part of the chapter? And you can go back and see what you have, okay? Then there's the assignments here. These are just files you need in order to do the assignments. Sometimes I will have a whole page of links with really good resources about that chapter. Sometimes there'll be a video from me about this week that won't be here the very first day you click on the module, but like Monday, Tuesday, sometimes I'll make videos and pop them up there with some info about what we're studying that week. All right, we're starting with the syllabus game this week. This should be fun to help you kind of make sure you've read through the syllabus, but not have it be like a test, okay? This is our first discussion board right here. This is an assignment. You'll click on the assignments. Sure, this is review for most of you because you know how to do this. Here's your assignment, what you're supposed to do. Interview some family members. You're going to tell me about what you discovered in a discussion. Okay? So this is kind of what you need to get together before you go to the discussion for this week. It's a little different than some other weeks. Okay? And then you have your discussion. Okay? And then the syllabus game, and kind of it. I mean, the getting started stuff up here, your study plan. Okay, so that's it for how the modules work and how the weekly overview, the module overview each week should look similar to this. If there's something complicated, you'll see me in a video. If it's real easy and just kind of a checklist, you may not see a video, but you will see me again later this week, rather in a video about our content, or maybe in an announcement or a new article I find, or just some fun piece of information to help make this class, like, you know, interactive and sort of fun, okay? I think that's it. Remember to check in with me during office hours. You can do that virtually from your phone, even if you just download Zoom, you'll be all set. Okay, good luck. I'll be seeing you around.